Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit clickable table of content in PDF. This PDF has this, this table of content, this third page showing, and click this one, fourth page. Okay, I'll go first page. Now select tools option and select edit PDF option and select edit link option, add a web edit link. There are two internal links. There's table of content. Select this third one and click right button and select edit. Now select this properties option and make this rectangular visible and border gradation, this color and thick. Now go action and edit this action and select edit. Here are showing page number 3. I'll make here page number 5 and select OK and select OK and close. Now select this link and click here and see this page number 5 already showing here and see this page number 5. So I'll edit this fourth number page link. Go edit PDF option, web link and click here and click right button, edit and properties. Go action. Here showing page number 4. I will edit. I'll show here page number 6 and select OK. Now OK and close and click here and see this page number 6 already showing. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.